Namaste guys, in this video we are going to learn how to make this mechanism in Solidworks. So let's start. Click on here, new part. Select the front plane, press Ctrl plus 8. Make sure no external reference is checked on, else you might face issues later onwards. Draw the line as I'm showing. Give it a dimension as per your requirement. In my case, these are the dimensions that I'm using it. Okay, drag it here by pressing Ctrl select these 2 points, make it coincide, features, extrude, uh, mid plane, increase the thickness. 100 mm is fine for me. Click on here, plane, sketch, draw a circle here, give it a diameter as per your requirement. In my case 10 mm is fine. Escape, select this point and this point, make it horizontal. Smart dimension tool, give it a dimension as per your requirement. 75 mm is fine for me. Click OK. Features, extrude cut through all. For those who are finding that I'm speaking way too, fast, there's a option in YouTube decrease the speed. So do that. Sorry for that. I have a very bad habit to speak fast. Now, one more thing that I will do is select this face and draw this shape and 5, 20. Okay, this is also done. Escape. Okay, I can make it to 5 mm from here as well. Features, extrude, reverse. Okay, it's not between blind, reverse direction, and extrusion as per your requirement. I think this much is fine. Click OK. Acceleration component mode. Click on here, new part. Okay, select this face, press Ctrl plus 8. Draw a circle here first. Make it, my bad, uh, 10 mm. Uh, Select this point and this point, make it 0. Features, extrude, 10 mm. Click OK. Select this face, click on sketch, draw, select the slot tool, mm, 25, 5.5, extrude 5 mm. Select this face, click on sketch, uh, draw the circle like this, extrude 5 mm, click OK. Now I will go to the right plane, click on sketch. From the center I will draw a circle here, make it 10 mm, draw the line like this, escape, trim entities, features, revolve cut, OK. Next this one, mates, select this one and this face, click OK, and select this face and this face, click OK. One more thing that we need to do is right click and make it fix, because this is a platform and this thing that is going to be rotate. Now I need something here as well, to move it forward, backward. So let's make it. So click on here, new part. Okay. Select this face, press Ctrl plus 8. And what I can do, draw the line as I'm showing. Go here, not 10, make it 12 mm. This one is 10, 10, 10, 30, 10, 25. Oh, I delete this and make it 15. Extrude it mm, up to 40 mm. Click OK. Select this, click on sketch. Then features revolve cut. Oh, one more thing that is very important that I forgot to do. I need to make sure that there is a point there at the center of origin, and this will apply to the other one as well. So let's see. So draw this point exactly here. This point will be used as a reference when I will do the what I will say meeting. So select this one. Let's see where it is. Select this one. Okay, first edit component mode, and I think yeah, right plane uh, point, and I will select this point. Exit it. Exit this component. Now move it to okay. First, let's do it mate. Uh, Go to the evaluate and click on alignment mass measure. Select this shape and this shape. So we can see that the minimum distance is 170 mm, approximate 170 mm. So let's try to make the road of it. So click on here, new part. Okay, and front plane, press Ctrl plus 8. So I will draw a shape like this and a rectangle shape like this. So this will be 170 mm. This will be how much? 10 mm. 10 mm for it. This as well. Make it 0. This one will be 2 mm. Escape. Draw the line like this and escape. Trim entities. Trim this line and this one as well. Go to the revolve bow space, select this, okay, uncheck the thin feature. So for some reason I'm not. So the reason that this kind of thing happens, okay, it's working. So I doesn't select the thin feature properly. Now exit this, drag it here, mate. Okay, one more thing that I forgot. Make sure that you add point here as well. So I will select the front plane, click on sketch, and point here, and one more point here. Exit it, drag it here. So I'm not able to see the points. What should I do? Uh, okay, I guess I added the point, but in the assembly mode. Yeah, I added the point, but in the assembly mode. So delete them. So select this one, mates, front plane, click on sketch, a point here, and one point will be at the center of this one. Escape and exit the center of one mode. Now what I will do, I will go to the mates, select this point and this point, click OK, select this point, and there will be point inside of it as well. Yeah, sorry, but for some reason I'm not able to see that point. Okay, I guess I didn't make correctly. So I will select this edit component and I will select the right plane, click on sketch, and let's see this view and draw a point here. Now if I try to make it, yeah, the points are showing. If it is still not showing, click on here and click on this sketch. There might be chance that you have hide it for some accidental reasons. For those who are beginners, you need to know. Click OK and close this. Now if I rotate it, notice it is working fine. Let's do the animation part. 20 RPM, calculate. So yeah, that's for all. If you have any kind of doubt and queries, feel free to ask. And thanks for watching. Have a great day. Namaste.